Hey, this is Colin with Anytime Fitness in Kalamazoo on Stadium Drive. Today, I got another keto short for you, and I'm gonna show you how to make keto bacon egg McMuffins. Delicious. And you know what? It's only gonna take you about 10 minutes. So for our recipe, you need a quarter cup of flax meal, quarter cup of almond flour, teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of Himalayan sea salt, 2 tablespoons of full fat coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of water, and you will need 2 eggs, some cheese, and a piece of bacon. So, quarter cup of the almond flour, quarter cup of the flax meal, pinch of sea salt, and a teaspoon of baking powder. So after you have all your dry ingredients in, now you take your wet ingredients. 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of coconut milk, which, little pro tip, great storage for an open can of coconut milk is a nice little shaker cup. And lastly, cracking an egg. So after you've mixed your wet and dry ingredients, this is what you should be looking at. Then you throw in a quarter of a cup of cubed or shredded cheese. There we go. And then you want to mix that up as well. So pro tip number 2 for you, you can get these ramekins off Amazon. You get 6 of them for about $10, and they are the perfect size to actually put the McMuffin ingredients that you've made inside. So that's what I'm gonna do. Now the recipe that I've given you is essentially enough to make about 2 McMuffins. Scoop that, pour it in, pat it down, a little bit more. And then we're gonna put that in the microwave and you're gonna cook it for about 90 seconds. So pro tip number 3 for you is, these are called non-pros, and basically you can put them into your skillet. So I got some butter that's already cooking in there, and you crack your egg. Put it inside there, and it helps hold the egg together. You let that cook till the bottom of the egg is fully cooked, and then you're just going to come in and flip it with a spatula. So easy, love it. I've never been good at making eggs with a runny yolk until I found this. So thank you very much, non-pro, which is now making me a pro. Maybe that's why they called it that, I don't know. Yeah. Oh, nope. Almost got it. Boom, like a pro. Okay, so then while that's finishing to cook, you take your McMuffins, put them in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. We'll see how it turns out. So this is kind of what your end product should look like. Careful when it gets out of the microwave, it's a little hot. And then to get it out, I just take a little spoon and just push it off the edges there. Right, and then voila. Ta-da! Cut that bad boy in half. It's a little gooey. Hey, who doesn't like gooey I most certainly do. Yeah, that's all that cheese in there. Then take, if you want more cheese, put that on top. Take a piece of bacon. Take some greens, because even though you're doing keto, doesn't mean you can't eat your vegetables. There's some of those on there. There's your poached egg. Alright. Put it all together. And that's actually pretty epic. Alright, this is hot. Alright. That's very good. Chef Colin. Eat well, my keto friends.